Hello YouTube, today I will show you how to upload, view or embed PDF files on your website. This trick works both on desktop and mobile version. In YouTube you will get another videos that works on only desktop version, not on mobile version, but this trick works both on mobile and desktop version. So further ado, let's begin. First you need to add plugins. So let's search the plugin PDF embedder PDF. I have installed this PDF embedder and it works only on desktop version, not on mobile, so do not install it. Let's search for the Elementor. Install this plugin and activate it. I have already done this. And also search for the Elementor PDF viewer. And you have to install this plugin too and activate it. I've already done this. So now let's add a post. Add new. Let's give the title PDF view. Now let's click on edit with Elementor. Now let's search PDF viewer. Let's drag it and drop it here. Either paste the PDF URL or you can directly embed the PDF files. For this you have to select on file and you can upload it from here, and you can select your file or you can upload your desired file. Now if you want to paste the URL, then go to media files. Go to library, select your file and copy this link. Now paste it here. Now you can publish this. Let's have a look. In this way, you can embed the PDF files, upload the PDF files in a website that works both on desktop and mobile version. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel.